Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very casual style video. These kinds of videos always motivate me, so I thought I'd do one today, and I'm going to actually do a clean with me style video. I'm going to be cleaning my office and closet today. Between going to work and rushing out the door, a lot of times I don't have time to put my clothes away or dust this room, so today is the day I'm going to tackle that. So I thought I'd show you guys what I'm gonna do to clean it and hopefully motivate you as well. These always motivate me, so thought I'd make one. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning videos, because I don't know, they're always addicting to watch as they motivate me. I just like run and go clean after I watch them. So I thought I'd show you what cleaning products I use. So this is what I'm gonna be using as like my all-purpose cleaner. This is a multi-surface by Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is like an everyday cleaner. You could use it on a lot of different surfaces, and it smells really, really nice. I'm gonna use this little soft cloth to use with this as well. And then, so this duster here I got from Target. It's still in the packaging. I have to take it out of the packaging, but it's really soft. I thought it'd be perfect for like my shoe shelves to like just get one sweep and a lot more like surface area. So excited to try this. And this just like, you could wash this like duster head thing. So I'm gonna be using those to clean. And yeah, this is the state of my office slash closet. This looks pretty decent. I just really need to clean it all and dust it. I need to sweep these floors as well. I have shoes that need to be put away. And then I have a chair full of clothes that need to be put away. And then this is my desk. This is the hardest thing for me to keep clean just because I'm always working here. Yeah, I have my snacks. I have to put all this away. So I'm just going to take you guys along with how I'm gonna clean this room up.
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can see the end. Don't slow down.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as I said, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and always feel free to comment below what videos you want to see next. I always love hearing from you guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.